Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. How to view sent follow request list on Instagram. So just click the profile icon at the below right corner, and what you're gonna do here, click the three bars at the top right, and from here just scroll a little bit down until you find archiving and downloading. Just go ahead and click on it, and here it says story archive to your archive and all that, so it can be saved. And basically what you're gonna do, you're gonna just go ahead to the account center or Meta, right? So basically what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just go ahead right here and into the account center, and from here just go ahead, click on the information and permissions, and just click download your information, right? So basically what you're gonna do, you're gonna just go ahead and download or transfer information from, and just select the account that you want to transfer the information from, hit next basically, and what you're gonna do, just go ahead and click all available information basically, and what you're gonna do, you're gonna just hit download to device, basically select the date range if it was last year or last 6 months or something like that. Just go ahead and do it. Or if you want to not get the email or get the notification via the most used email, which is this email, so you can receive once it's approved. So basically in that format right here, which most familiar is the most familiar format is the HTML. So basically choose it, and media quality, if you have fast internet, just go ahead and select the high quality. Or if you have medium, like my Wi-Fi, just go ahead and select medium. You will still get the same high quality. It just basically hit cancel, or sorry, hit create file. So right, basically just go ahead and do it, and basically you're gonna be able to have like information via your email that your request was or your request the request of the download information is approved. All right, let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and before you do anything, just go back to your screen and you will see for the email onto your Gmail, and you're gonna be able to see an email that tells you that you can get access to the files. And basically what you're gonna do, you can just go ahead right here to the current activity, right, and just basically download the file via your files, and you're gonna be able to find it right here basically, right? Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.